For those of y'all who are in charge of the kitchen department in your homes, I'm sure y'all must be running through this question every day morning. What to cook today? Whenever this question comes up, we are left with a sigh. Like, seriously, I wish there was a way where we could know what to cook for today. Like in a restaurant, you just go up, see the menu, and just place an order. But at home, it doesn't seem really like this, because you need to know what to cook that everybody would enjoy today, at the same time would make your task a little bit easier when it comes to cooking. Having said that, at my place, the most easiest cooking item that we can think of is dal, rice and papad. Well, I won't be surprised if this is the same concept in most of your places, but when it comes to papad, there is a fright. Why? Because it's deep fried, and we want to avoid deep fried items, oily papad is not really good for health. And then we come with a number of pros and cons, do's and don'ts with that list. So to avoid all this hassle, I will give you a very easy solution of having your papad cooked. Let's not tell fried, because it's not going to be fried, and having that same crispy taste without it dipped in oil. So if you all want to know more, stay with me and I'll walk you through the hack. So this is the papad that I am taking, and I will be placing this in the microwave. So I will just place it on this microwave cover that I have. You all can use a microwave safe dish. Now the timer is as original, set on 1. And can you see the papad? It will slowly start cooking. You can see the bubble like forming on the surface of the papad. This means that it is getting cooked. So you'll let this process happen for a few seconds, and then you'll open up to flip the papad over. Can you see it's still uncooked? So I'm flipping it over so that the heat can be provided on all the sides. I will continue with the cooking process, and again after a few minutes, that's at 18, I will stop, because I know that my papad is now cooked completely. For y'all it might differ. For some it could finish earlier, for the others it can take time. So it is totally up to your microwave of how many watts it is. I will now transfer the papad on the plate. Can you see there is no uncooked spot on this papad? It is so well cooked, no oil, and it is a good feeling that it is an oil-free papad that you can have and enjoy without being worried of the after effects. So this is the papad. I'll give you a sound test of how crispy it is. Do you hear that? See, that's how good the papad is cooked, with that same crisps that y'all can find with oil. So hope y'all enjoy your papad in this way, and let me know how it felt. I hope y'all have enjoyed today's hack. I'm sure many of y'all must have even said that there are ways where you can fry the papad on fire, gas flame. But let me tell you, for that all papads are not suitable. But when it comes to the microwave, you can use any kind of papad and you will be happy that it is cooked and crispy in a way where you don't have to make use of oil. So let me know in the comment section if you all have liked today's hack. What is your thinking? Will it be useful or not? And for those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, please pour out your love by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each and every time I post a video. For that, you'll have to click on all on the bell notification icon. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.